Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your science teacher Nancy Pandey. So students, today we are going to do the remaining exercises of the chapter number 7, that is house and clothing. So students, in our previous video we have done the question number A, fill in the blanks. Now let's do the question number B, that is name the following. So students, look at this picture which are given here. These are the picture of types of houses. Here you have to recognize the house and write the name in the given blank. So students, let's start this question. In first picture, this is a house made of blocks of ice. So students, in this chapter we study that the houses made from blocks of ice are called igloo. So this picture is of igloo. So the spelling of igloo is I-G-L-O-O, igloo. Now let's come to the second picture. Which house is this? Look at this picture carefully. Yes, this is a house on a boat. So the name of this house is houseboat. Let's come to the third picture. This house is on wheels. This is a house on wheels. So the name of this house is Carvan. The spelling of Carvan is C-A-R-A-V-A-N. Now let's come to the last picture. Which house is this? This house is made of thick cloth or plastic sheet. So students, this is a tent. T-E-N-T, tent. So students, here picture of 4 houses are given. The first picture, igloo, is an example of permanent house, and the remaining houses like houseboat, carvan and tent are example of temporary houses. Now let's come to the question number C. Choose the correct option. Here 4 options are given in each question. So the first question is, what does a house protect us from? Our example are heat and cold, wind, rain, or all of these. So students, as you know that a house protects us from heat and cold, wind and rain. So here our answer is all of these. Now let's come to the question number 2. Which of these materials do we use to make a pakka house? Your options are cement and bricks, mud and straw, cloth and plastic sheet, or all of these. So students, the material do we use to make a pakka house are cement and bricks. So you have to tick the option number A, that is cement and bricks. Now let's come to the third one. Which of these roofs will help to slide off snow easily? Your options are flat roof, high roof, sloping roof, or none of these. So students, in the explanation of chapter, you studied that sloping roofs help to slide off snow easily. So here our answer is option number C, that is sloping roof. Now let's come to the question number 4. Houses made of blocks of ice are called. So you know very well, the houses made of blocks of ice are called igloo. So here the correct option is A, igloo. Now let's come to the question number 5. Which of these houses should we make in places where it rains a lot? The first option is igloo, hut, stilt houses, or tent. So students, as you know that people living in places where it's rain a lot make houses on stilts with sloping roofs. So here our answer is option number C, that is stilt houses. Now let's come to the sixth question. A carva is a, your options are a house on wheels, temporary house, both A and B, or none of these. So students, here your correct option is option number C, both A and B. So students, our correct option is option number C, that is both A and B. A carva is a house on wheels and it is an example of temporary house. So you have to tick the option number C. Now let's come to the last question. Which of these is true about the clothes we wear? So students, your option number A is they protect us from heat, cold, rain, etc. The option number B is we need clothes to live. Option number C, we wear different clothes in different seasons. Option number D, both A and C. So students, here our correct option is both option number A and C. So students, in option number A, they protect us from heat, cold, rain, etc. And option number C, we wear different clothes in different season. So here the correct option is option number D, that is both A and C. So students, I hope you understand these exercises by this video. Remaining part of this exercise we will do in next video. So do this in your book and don't forget to complete the homework which is given during your live classes. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you students. Bye and take care.